Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting the fundamentals right. Make sure both Apple TV and your computer are on the same Wi-Fi network and that AirPlay is enabled on the Apple TV. Once done, update TV OS and your computer's OS so compatibility issues are minimized. Next, verify the Apple TV is connected to a display and powered. Finally, on the computer, identify the network name and check firewall settings. This prevents blocked discovery and lets your machine find the Apple TV immediately. Now you'll initiate the actual connection. On a Mac, click the AirPlay icon in the menu bar or Open Displays in System Settings and select your Apple TV. On Windows, you'll need iTunes or an AirPlay-capable app and Bonjour service running so the device appears. After selection, choose whether to mirror your screen or extend it as a separate display. Mirroring duplicates content, while extended display gives more workspace. Make sure to allow any prompts on the Apple TV that request pairing or a passcode. Finish by configuring display resolution, scaling, and audio output on your computer so video and sound route to the Apple TV properly. This improves performance and sync. If you experience stutter or lag, make sure both devices are close to the router, switch to 5 GHz, or connect Apple TV via Ethernet to reduce wireless interference. If the Apple TV doesn't appear or playback fails, reboot both devices and check firewall or Bonjour settings. This simple reset resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.